Alrighty, so we got the power steering pump in there. All you're gonna do is fish it through there. As you can see, the only thing holding this power steering on is three 15mm bolts. One, two, and a third one right down bottom. You're not gonna be able to get this pump off unless you take the pulley off, but you're gonna need a power steering pulley. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and install it back. Got a little bit of grease on the inside of it, so it should slide on relatively easy. But I'm gonna have to use my power steering pump installer to actually push it on the whole way. I don't believe you can get it on without it. It's not gonna happen. So I'm just setting it up in place to where I can fish that power steering pump installer on there. You can probably get it off the power steering pump if you undid this whole bracket, which is completely ridiculous to do, so there ain't no point in doing all that. So this is my power steering pump installer. So what's gonna happen is this is gonna thread from the inside of the pump. You'll get it to a certain area and you're gonna crank this nut, turn to the right because it's gonna push it down. As it's pushing it down, it'll push the power steering pump pulley on. Show you. So I got my installer. Gonna set it right inside this hole. Take that, tighten it up, and I'm gonna get it nice and sturdy. Then all I'm gonna do is tighten this nut. As I'm tightening it, it'll push it all the way and close this gap back here.